Polluting my backyard, whether I am paying on time to my laborer, whether there are fair wages, and so on and so forth. Whether I am starting this seminar on time, whether the time allotted to me, I am overshooting it, encroaching upon somebody else's time. These are all social responsible behaviors. Now 2 trillion economy and the CSR estimate runs only 4 billion. So it is 0.2% of the entire economy which we are discussing here. Now is it going to impact this 2 trillion economy, $2,000 billion economy with the help of 4 billion intervention? Let us see another number, the size of the government, $400 billion. Now if that is the size of the government, it means that CSR is 1% of the size of the government. You will find most of the CSR initiatives totally divorced of government. I would like to carve out a small space for myself in education, health, so on and so forth. Irrespective of what the government is doing, I would like to create an island of prosperity, efficiency, fairness in the entire scheme, which is totally inefficient, sometimes highly corrupt. And I would like to continue with my little word there, washing away all my guilt, to have that 2 trillion economy generated, not always in a socially responsible manner. That is not CSR. Now the today's session is that what should be the strategy? The point number 1 I would like to mention is that the strategy has to be integrated into all the efforts that which we made to make the entire economy socially responsible. I don't know how many CSR initiatives are converted into a public-private partnership. We have been able to do in Maharashtra in the field of agriculture, working with more than 50 corporate players, 500,000 farmers, total investment of almost $70 million, connecting farmers to the market and leveraging all the initiatives of government. You may not call it CSR, but there is a very strong component of CSR, organizing farmers into groups, building up their capacity, having their skills which are matching the requirements of the market, exports, maybe for processing industry. To give an example, rallies have joined hands with us with 100,000 farmers, and they have launched a product which is known as iShakti, which is a pigeon pea, pulses. Same thing with ADM USA with soybean, Unilever with tomatoes, and I can go on and on. Now this is a model which is workable, and this is a strategy which we can adopt to make $2 billion generation socially responsible. How do I make the small money which I have got integrated into the government efforts? Can I have all the education system more efficient? Whether my health system is going to be more proactive, more people's oriented? One way of doing CSR is I open up a hospital and spend money there. The other way, I improve upon 100 other hospitals and make them work better. Are you making the government work better? The point I am making, $400 billion to work better with the help of $4 billion is doable. It is happening in small pockets. Most of the corporates feel governments are corrupt and inefficient. We are efficient and also socially responsible if we join hands together. together, we will also get a coloring. How long you will be avoiding this kind of a coloring coming together? Many of the corporates really feel afraid of going very near to the government, saying that the government is a leper and I am going to get affected by it. The corporate social responsibility of $4 billion will be down the drain if $400 billion of this government doesn't work. Can you make it work better to the people? Is it not more socially responsible behavior? Can I not work $2 billion or $2 trillion economy work better in a socially responsible manner wherever I am doing it? It is like in my DNA. Whatever I am doing, it is socially responsible. So entire bulk of the work which I am doing is socially responsible. And I am also making the government to work better, which is my CSR. There are ways to come together. I keep on reading in the newspapers, so much money has been given and such foundation has been formed. But I have not read much that we have joined efforts of the government in making it bigger. How many schools you will be able to reach by having a small carving out of maybe less than 1%? I said we have 0.2% of the total economy as far as CSR is concerned and 1% of the government efforts. These numbers should be eye-opener to all of us. Let us concentrate on projects where the government is already functioning and we make it work better to do something in a small corner along with government and show that if this program is modified in such a small manner, the impacts can be huge. And work through our power with the government to make it happen on a larger scale. If I am making something work for a small school or maybe a small hutmats, can we make it better? I offer, as far as government of Maharashtra is concerned, 3 important areas: education and skill development, health and sanitation, and livelihood. And all 3 are most important areas of corporate social responsibility. So the strategy I am suggesting is twofold. One, whatever I am doing it in a socially responsible manner so that $2 trillion economy is socially responsible production. And 2, I make government work better with the help of my $4 billion to work better for $400 billion being spent by government. Thanks very much.